this is something that the general public can take a look at and really start to comprehend how severe the amount of damage that this is causing to the lung tissue.
A virtual reality rendering of the scarred lungs of the first novel coronavirus patient admitted to Washington, D.C.'s George Washington Hospital. The patient is in his 50s, challenging perceptions during the pandemic's early stages that coronavirus was largely a concern for the elderly. As more and more data emerges from around the world, it's clear that while the elderly and those with underlying health problems are most at risk from coronavirus, younger generations are also vulnerable. The US Centre for Disease Control and Prevention analysed just over 4,000 cases in mid-March and found that 29% of them were in the age range 20 to 44. But some young people have been criticised for ignoring instructions on containing the pandemic.
If I get corona, I get corona. At the end of the day, I'm not going to let it stop me from partying.
Brady Sluder apologised after images of him and friends holidaying in Miami, just as much of the US shutdown went viral, prompting a direct rebuke from Canada's Prime Minister.
We've all seen the pictures online of people who seem to think they're invincible. Well, you're not.
And surgeon Keith Mortman created this video partly for them.
I wanted to get this message out and get this picture out to the public so that people who so far have not been heeding the warning of public health professionals can perhaps see these images and see the destruction that is being caused in the lungs and why these patients' lungs are failing to the point of needing a mechanical ventilator.
While the World Health Organization says most people who contract coronavirus will make a full recovery, one study from Hong Kong of 12 patients found up to 3 of them were left with reduced lung capacity. Owen, Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.